Hi, this is Jeff, and I am a retired engineering manager from Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. And I love gadgets, and I'm here to review them in 5 minutes. Okay, so now we have the device here. It says precise electric screwdriver. So let's try and see how it works. So once you select one of the bits, we'll try something very simple. Here is a hard drive, and we're going to try to take out these really small screws. Part of this is finding the right. That seems to work. Okay, you put this in. So now you have the right tool. Simple, put it down there. Push the backwards button, and it comes out. Now, interestingly, it's loose, so I can't pick it up. However, it also ships with this magnetizer. You rub this here, and then you can then pick the screw up. Very, very handy. Okay, so now let's put this on here again. Very small, very delicate. And tighten it up. So that works as expected. I haven't shown you the light feature here, which is going to get dark enough. You can see the light here. So if you want to see what you're working on, you have a light, which is nice. There's the light. And the price for this particular item was UF-Tools Mini Electric Screwdriver. And the price on this, as of this recording, which is on August 23rd, 2024, was $31.
Now it's time for hits and misses. On the hits side, it's very easy to use. It has many applications, from building PCs to small work with electronics to watches, things like that. The storage for the device and the bits are very, very strong, very well made. And the variety of bits means you'll always find the right tool for the job. On the misses side, the lack of torque control might be a problem, as you might strip or over tighten a screw occasionally. And there's no storage for the charging cable, and that would be more convenient. Overall, this product met my expectations, and I think it will be one that will be used for months to come. Thanks for listening.